Hey guys, it's Roz again from Roz Beauty Cebu, and we're here for another press on collection. So right now, I am using a lint-free wipe with some acetone and rubbing off the shiny layer of the press on nail. And then I'm going in straight with black polish on the ring finger. Then we'll be placing a light nude onto the middle and also onto the pinky nail, the thumbnail. And then we're placing an even lighter, more translucent pink nude onto the pointer nail and the pinky nail. And then we will cure that for 1 minute. After curing for 1 minute, we are going to go in with the second coat for all of the colors except for the black, because I'm planning to do a marble and we don't need 2 coats since my black is very opaque. After finishing those 2 coats, we cured for 1 minute. And after curing, I'm using my 0.1 Mostive liner brush to kind of crazily draw on some white lines. It can be kind of random since we are doing marble. So I'm just randomly drawing on white lines that are quite thin onto the black polish. Make sure to cover most of the space with some white lines. And then using a stiff brush, I'm kind of going to spread out the white so it's not just formed as a single line. It will look more marble and random. So just go over all the white lines you painted with a stiff brush. Once I'm happy with that, I cured it for 1 minute. And then for my pinky nail, I'm applying nail foil gel. And for the middle and the thumb, I'm applying a bit of hard gel for the bling. So here I am, grabbing some bling, a smaller stone for the middle, and a bigger stone for the thumb. And just make sure to position that well into the middle before curing. After positioning, I will cure that for 1 minute. So after curing, I'm gonna apply the foil onto the pinky, and unfortunately I didn't show it too well here, but on the side you can see me pressing the foil onto the pinky nail, and the foil should just easily come off and stick onto the nail because of the previously applied and cured nail foil gel. And then for the second finger, the pointer finger, we are gonna use striping tape in gold color. I'm gonna lay it down the middle. And I always leave excess which I will cut off later, and then I'll put 2 stripes going horizontally. Now I'll be cutting off the excess. I always cut off a little bit extra so that it's not sticking out of the nail. This helps the striping tape last longer, and I'll try to show that a little bit better in the next clip. So here there's a bit of a gap between the end of the nail and the striping tape. As you can see here, there's at least a 1mm gap so that the top coat can seal perfectly around and so that it won't peel off prematurely. After that, we are gonna directly apply top coat. This will be the first layer of top coat on this design. Designs using striping tape, I tend to use 2 to 3 coats of top coat to ensure that it doesn't peel off. So we're gonna cure that for 1 minute. And then after curing, I am applying top coat to the foil nail. I also apply 2 to 3 coats of top coat for the foil nail so that it also doesn't peel off prematurely. And then for the ring finger, we are placing a single line down the middle of striping tape. And again, cutting off, leaving some excess, and then cutting off, leaving a 1 to 2mm margin before the end of the nail. And then we will top coat this nail as well. And then we cured for 1 minute. After curing, we are gonna put top coat on all the other nails, making sure that the nails with the striping tape have had 2 to 3 coats of top coat as well as the foil nail. And then we cured for 1 minute. So after curing for 1 minute, I'm getting a lint-free wipe with some acetone, as this is a sticky top coat, and I'm just removing that sticky layer. And there you have it. This is the final product. Remember that you can get your custom press-on nails on my Instagram or my Facebook at Roz Beauty Cebu. Feel free to message us and send us your inquiries. Again, this is Roz from Roz Beauty Cebu, bringing you another press-on collection.